I got 1,000 subscribers in 1 week. Before I share with you these strategies that work for me. Now, this one is not about go and do this, go and do that. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 strategies that work for me. But before I share that strategies, let me show you my analytics so that I want to show you my own as like how I was able to achieve 1,000 subscribers or even over 1,000 subscribers in 1 week. All right. Now, this is actually my analytics. We are going to be doing the plus and minus. Then I will begin to tell you what you should do practically, that when you get monetized, you will be able to have views on your long form videos and you'll be able to earn on your long form video. Not that after you get monetized, people that the subscribers you got will not be watching your long form video, which does not make any sense. All right. Now, let me bring, so here, this is my subscribers. This is my subscriber. And you can see as of Sunday, August 16, as of Sunday, we're going to start from August 16, okay? August 16, which is on Sunday. Today is Monday, right? So I want to show you everything plus and minus. So now, on Sunday, I got 156. 156, okay? Then on the next video, which is on Monday, I got what? Plus 227. Then on Tuesday, what did I get? I got 160. Then on Wednesday, what did I get? Plus 93. On August, just be calculating so that you don't say it did not complete. On Thursday, I got 98. Then on Friday, I got 106. Okay. Then on Saturday, then I got 83. Then on Sunday, you can see Monday to Sunday. That is I got what? 126. That is 1,149 subscribers in 1 week. That is what I got. Okay. Now, let me now share with you what I did differently that is helping me not just getting subscriber, but getting active subscribers. I mean, returning subscribers that will watch my video, they will comment, they will go, and they will come back again for my next video. So I'm going to be sharing with you 5 things I did differently. Now, number 1 thing I did, remember I told you 1 week. If you take a close look, number 1 thing I started doing was I posted every day. Yes, I posted Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I posted at a stretch. Okay, that's number 1. Now, number 2 things I did differently as a YouTuber who is looking for what? Active subscriber. I make sure that I select my topics. I don't just pick topic and talk about it. No, I talk about topics that relate to people's problem, and then they can be able to get solutions from that topic or from that video. And that is when you end up seeing people commenting, "Thank you. I find value in your content. I enjoy your content," because you have given them what they were looking for. So I select topics before treating any topics. That's number 2. Now, number 3 things I did differently was that I started posting what? Long form videos. If you take a close look, all these videos here are what? Are long form videos. These are not shorts. These are long form videos. Reason why I was posting long form video is because I want to build my channel on a long form video, because I don't want a situation whereby after some time I will be forced to abandon my channel or go back to shorts. Okay, I'll be talking about shorts separately in another day. But what I just did here, I was posting long form video. Now, number 4 thing I did differently is hooking audience. Yes. See, I don't just hook my audience, but I promise them from beginning of my video what they will benefit. Just like the way I started this video. I promise audience what they will benefit, and I make them understand reason why if they subscribe, they will have to have more prospective videos that will solve their problem, or more videos coming that will solve any problem, or My channel is just a channel to help them grow. Okay, so I have been able to hook my audience. Now, number 5 things I've been able to do on my channel, which helps me within this period of 1 week to gain what? This massive subscriber, is making sure I did what? I optimize my video in terms of thumbnails, in terms of hashtags, in terms of, because the more you reach more audience, the more subscribers or more prospective subscribers will see your videos. And when a prospective subscriber sees your video and they like it, what do? They subscribe. So I always make sure that every video I put on my channel, I don't just put it. I watch the video, okay, before putting it on my channel, and then before uploading it, I make sure that everything is intact. The audio, the clarity, everything is fine. Then I will now take my time to design my thumbnail. I will now take my time to put my descriptions in place. I will now take my time, both tags and hashtags. Okay, you treat your channel intentionally. That's what I've been doing, and you can see the results. Now, let me now show you my subscriber count in 90 days. In 90 days, let's say in 90 days, for example. In 90 days, which is 3 months, in 3 months, I've been able to gather over close to 5,000 subscribers. Close to what? 5,000 subscribers. And in this 90 days, take a close look from here, from July, from July 14. Just take a close look. From July 14, I've been making sure that I post what? Long form video, long form video, long form video, long form video. I'll be another thing. In our next video, I might be teaching you how I've been able to come up with long form videos every day without burning out. All right. Now, I believe in your next video, you don't know what to do better. After mentioning these 5 strategies I did or I used in 1 week in order for me to get what? 1,000 subscribers. Never you forget that you have what? Audience that are waiting for your videos every day. Yes, every day people want to see what you have for them, and you neglecting them will never help your channel at all. In short, instead of you having more subscribers, you might end up having them maybe going out from your channel, which is that's not what you actually wanted for your channel. So in order for you to just have more subscribers every day, every week, do these 5 things I've just mentioned. Okay, hook your audience, optimize your video, edit nice video, choose topics that relate to people's problem or that solve people's problem. All right, don't just make videos, don't just come up with videos. Make videos with what intentions of making sure that this video go to a particular person or a particular person will benefit from this video. You are not making video for yourself, remember. So do not just make video that suits you. Make videos that suit your audience. And before we see in my next video, in case you are still struggling for subscribers, you are still struggling for watch hours, you see this video, go and watch this video. This video will actually help you in form of, or in terms of more watch hours and more subscribers. And if you want me to do any video for you, please go ahead. Let me know in the comment section. I told you one of the easiest way you can as well grow your channel is ability for you to do what? To leave meaningful comments in other people's comment section. Before I will see you in my next video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, give me a thumbs up so that whenever I create another video like this, you get to have what? A notification, and then you get to watch the video or get to benefit. All right, so see you in my next video. Bye bye.